New summer product preview. We're going to go ahead and start here. This is so fun, you guys. These products, get excited. I was a little bit intimidated at first by the lipsticks, and then I tried them. And this color that I have on is quite pretty. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it in just a second. But we're going to start out with the brow gel. Welcome back. If you are a big fan of our clear brow styling gel, it is back, and I know so many of us are going to be so excited, and they brought it back. So isn't this the cutest little applicator and everything? I'm going to make myself just a little bit bigger just so you can see what that looks like. Isn't that great? And you guys catch the new logo that Mary Kay has? It's super cute, right? So yeah, here is the brow gel. There is the applicator. Pretty cool. And it's great. So anybody can use this. And it just helps to set the brows. It's pretty amazing. Very straightforward, but I'll give you a little bit more information here. Super lightweight, small brush for precision, no salon necessary, right? And then create the style you love, feathered, sleek, or laminated. So no matter what style you love, the clear brow styling gel is your ultimate bestie for wow brows. Okay, so new Mary Kay clear brow styling gel, and that is for 14. So that is pretty awesome. Okay, and next up we have the Sparkle and Cream lipstick. So every product launch, Mary Kay comes out with something really special. They pick two, or at least two, I think, limited edition lipsticks. And what these lipsticks do is they help to provide donations to the Mary Kay Ash Charitable Foundation. Okay, so every purchase of one of these lipsticks, $1 will be donated to the Mary Kay Ash Foundation, and it's going to be from now until September 15th. So they call it Pink Changing Lives. It's a great campaign that Mary Kay offers, and it's just an opportunity to share. And you guys, these two colors are really pretty. So the first one I have on is called the Positive Impact. And now if you guys can see, there are some really pretty sparkles on here, and that is just for the look, okay, just the look of the lipstick. But when you actually apply it, there is not really a whole lot of sparkle in it at all. As you can see, kind of the way that you can see the lipstick on there is worn off. The sparkles go away. So the whole lipstick, I thought at first was going to be like sparkles all over my lips, but it's not. So it's just pretty packaging to make it look really exciting and fun and pretty. But when you apply it, it looks just like a normal lipstick, and great staying power, I will say. This one is the Positive Impact. It is more of a lighter mauve. If you maybe, I want to say mauve moment, but it's a little bit more mauvey than that. And then the second one is this beautiful one called Empower. So this is going to be the more wow color lipstick. It's more like a fuchsia. You guys see me wear a lot of the hot pink. It's very similar to that coloring, the hot pink. So it's really pretty. Maybe you can see it a little bit better, but see all the sparkles? It's so pretty. The Empower in the catalog looks a little bit more like a red, but it is very much a hot pink. Okay, so beautiful color, but it's definitely more of your, it's the wow lipstick, whereas the Positive Impact obviously is a little bit more conservative, I guess you could say. Next up, we have the new limited edition matte liquid lipstick. So that means when they're limited edition, when they're gone, they're gone. Okay, so that's why you have to jump on these products. And just look at those beautiful shades. The soft fawn, of course, is going to be your really light neutral. Rich mahogany is going to be more of a medium color. Red noir, that's going to be a fabulous statement lipstick. So, and of course, different skin tones will provide different looks with each of these colors. This product line is more for like the 10 to 20-year-olds skincare line, because there's no anti-aging to it, but it's fabulous. It's a great starter skincare set. It is perfect for those not ready for age-defying products, okay? So we have a hydrating and a mattifying in the both cleanser and the moisturizer, an exfoliating scrub, which helps to unclog the pores. It's very gentle on the skin as well. And then we have a toner that goes along with it too. So a toner is really great, gets off all the gunk kind of on the skin as well. And it's just a great thing to get used to using, and and help with the skincare regimen there. So of course, then we have the moisturizers. So here's the whole regimen: the hydrating and the mattifying. Okay, and then the Go set. So 22 for the trial size, basically, of this new skincare line. So pretty awesome. All right, that is our summer Mary Kay Your Way product launch. So pretty exciting, you guys. If you have any questions on anything, of course, let me know. Type it in the chat, in the comments, and whatnot. But that is our kind of quick introduction to the summer and our preview of the summer product line. So I'm excited for you to get your hands on these and try them yourself. You really are going to like these new lipsticks. I'm just saying, they are pretty fabulous. So there you have it, our summer product preview. So I will catch you next time, and thank you guys for joining me today. Bye for now.